This is the shoe design that I have made for digital and technology class.
I was inspired by the movie Venom.
I designed this shoe especially to represent nature.
The inspiration for this design was the concept of the sky, clouds.
And the black is for the contrast since the green is really light.
So I drew some ink splash and the thunders to make the contrast.
According to IB program, it's very important to study design in order to develop creative thinking and strategic vision. The idea of his design sneakers workshop in partnership with Womsh company comes from the desire to test student skills facing the real needs of our community and the labor market.
It was a challenge dedicated to a very young generation with a specific attention to using sustainable materials and using all the know-how that we at Womsh have built during these years. When we work with young people, we receive always a lot of nice feedbacks, and I love very much to work with them.
The main characteristic of this shoe is for sure the bottom part, really big, because that's how I like to portray myself. But I decided to keep the white color because it's really delicate and it's really fair.
By making my sketchbook, I've learned that organization is a key factor and it enables you to create something beautiful.
A thing that I learned through this project was especially how to make a shoe comfortable, and I think it was one of my top priorities. Something I really based my design on to make these shoes human and comfortable to wear around at any time.
I like drawing because with drawing you can convey your emotions in something productive and show to other people how you feel, and it's really a good method to express yourself, and that's why I mainly draw.